Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. And by the way, it's a pleasure serving you guys. A pleasure. I love serving you. I love you, and I appreciate my YouTube family. Let me tell you, you make me so happy. So I want to talk to you today about my fried cabbage video. It is the #1 video on my channel, and everyone seemed to love cabbage. I'm really shocked. I didn't think that cabbage was that popular. And when I was growing up, my mother used to boil the cabbage, and I didn't really care for it boiled. And so for years I was trying to perfect how I could make cabbage more appealing to myself. And so I came up with the fried cabbage. And I'm glad you guys love it. And now I've heard from you all. You tell me all about how you and your family make your cabbage and all the different variations. So I've heard from people all over the world about the cabbage, from the UK to the South to the North, everywhere. And it's just so nice that cabbage brought us all together. I just love that. So I have an idea. What I am going to ask you to do for me is I'm trying to get that cabbage video to be viewed by over 1,000,000 people. Over 1,000,000 people and beyond. And the reason why I want to do that is I think that we can reach everybody to let them check out the video, and it sort of starts a dialogue, okay? And I even think that kids would eat it because it doesn't taste bland. It really tastes good and crispy and flavorful, okay? So can you do this for me? I would want each person, so I have over 5,000 subscribers now on my channel. If each person would would share that video, the cabbage video, to 20 people that you know, and ask the 20 people to share it with 20 more people, so that we can have like a chain thing going on, so that we all can have this dialogue and people write in and tell me how they make their cabbage or how their mother made their cabbage, and we can kind of learn the history of cabbage. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Besides the fact that I would get the views, in addition to me getting the views, I'm more interested in seeing how we can grow this thing worldwide. Okay? It's sort of like I don't know. Okay, let's say a name brand sneaker like Nike. You know, I'm assuming that that's all over the world. So why can't my fried cabbage be all over the world, right? All through the video. And then when they come and check it out, they can read your comments because you're part of this family and you make it happen. Okay, so let's do that, will you please? And in addition to that, while you're asking them to check out the fried cabbage video, tell them to subscribe. Why not? And give a thumbs up if they like it. So all of these things I'm asking to see if we can make it happen. I know we can because I got faith in you, okay? Alright, that's what I'm asking you to do. So I'll look forward to all the views and all the comments coming in on the fried cabbage, okay? Guys, let's do this. Let's make it a universal thing, okay? My fried cabbage, alright? Okay, thank you. That's what I wanted to tell you personally, okay? And I'm going to run this video solo so that we can all get the message on the fried cabbage, okay? And let the kids cook it and let the kids try it. They might like it. I think they will. Okay? All right, this is Grandma Ray. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Love you. Love you. Bye-bye.